You know what's crazy? It's been 3 years and my PC's still trash. This is my 2023 streaming setup. Yeah, that's right. Clap it up, clap it up. But wait. Let me turn the lights on. Alright, starting off with my 1080p 60Hz unknown monitor. Then my 1080p... Yo, what? My 1080p... What? Say that again, bruh. My 1080p Bush TV. Yes, Bush. The people who make fridges. I don't know who made that name, but the name trash. But the screen is surprisingly good. And the screens are stacked on top of each other, making it a clean dual monitor setup. Next is my keyboard. This is the Havit KB498L brown switch mechanical keyboard. Let's be real, the keyboard is nice. It sounds good and it's Bluetooth. If someone tried to take this from me, I'ma put them in the Tsukuyomi. Yo, that keyboard is ass. Hold on. You gotta hear it before you say that. Listen. Overall, this keyboard is clean. Next, we got my mouse. My wired mouse that I had for 4 years. It's got all the buttons you need, man. It's good to me, so I'm gonna keep it. Next, we got my mic. The mic that I got right here, man. I should really be doing ASMR for real, my voice built for it, bruh. It's supported by this weak ass boom arm, bruh. This arm weak as hell. You can easily pull it out. But I guess that's a plus, because if a nigga tries to, you know what I'm saying, pull up, I'ma boom him. Next we got my webcam. It's not really mine. I got it for free. My friend gave it to me, you know what I'm saying, clean this off, streams, you know what I'm saying. People say I need to do the face cam, so, you know what I'm saying, I had to do it. Next, we got my war soldiers, man. There's a reason why I called them that, man. Let me just show you. Look at the developed mouse. Both is developed mouse. But guess what? I don't give a damn, nigga. I'ma wear them until they deteriorate in my ears. Is that even a word? I don't know. And last but not least, the main man, the back. My PC definitely didn't have to go to hospital multiple times. This nigga died, came back to life 3 times. Here are the specs. If you're that type of nigga, man, I can't be asked to read them out, so you can just read. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section whether this is a WL sub, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, like, we going crazy 2023, nigga. Here is a video you might like. And here is a playlist of things that you might want to binge on. But other than that, I'm gonna catch you guys later.